This is what all men secretly want from their women, but they will never tell them. If you take any man in a relationship and you ask him to be completely honest about what it is he actually needs, all men will give you the same answer. And that is that they want intimacy. But this has nothing to do with the sexual relationship they have with their women. The kind of intimacy they want is they want closeness to their women. They want to feel that they can open up about their deepest fears and insecurities and failures and still be accepted by their women. And this is because most men have a certain pressure from society. They feel that they always have to perform, they always have to fix things. And therefore their dream is to come home to a woman who gives them a feeling of peace, a feeling of being accepted just the way they are. And although we women nowadays expect our men to be emotionally mature enough to talk about their inner fears and feelings, when they actually do, we panic. We don't know what to do with these kind of men because society has taught us that men are the problem solvers. And therefore, if they don't know how to solve a problem, we see them as weak. And this is also the reason why most men won't even open up to their women. Because a woman will probably use the information and throw it back into his face once they have a fight. Or even worse, she will share his inner secrets with her girlfriends. But you know that every man will always look for this one quality in a woman that reminds him of his mother. And that is not to be unconditionally loved, but it is to be unconditionally accepted. Don't be the convenient girl, because by being so nice to a man, you basically give him the okay to walk all over you. And the only reason that you are so nice to him is that you want to prove to him that you are lovable. You are doing all these things for him, like cooking, cleaning, and texting him all day in order to earn his love. And this is all about you, because you let your emotional well-being depend on how he judges the things you do for him. There's only one person in his life who tries to constantly earn his love by doing things for him, and that is his mother. But it's exactly through his mother that he learns that even if he's not okay with her, he can still get away with it because she will forgive him. So if you don't want a man to walk all over you and do whatever he wants with you, you have to learn to earn his respect. And a man learns to respect the person who's the authority figure in his life, like a father or like a football coach. Because while his mom might not even have said anything if he were home late for dinner, a football coach would definitely punish him if he were late for training. So with a man, you should never just be nice. You should be nice when he has earned it. Because you don't earn a man's respect by doing things for him, but you earn a man's respect by showing him approval for the things that he does for you. This is how you make a man instantly more interested in you. If lately he seems less interested in you and he stopped doing the things for you that he usually does. Or he was supposed to go out with you a couple of times, but then he cancelled last minute because he said he was busy with work. Then instead of doing what you usually do, like telling him that you feel that he doesn't care anymore, or asking him when you're going to see him, you are going to do something completely different. You're going to do the opposite of what he is used to seeing from you. You are going to tell him, I'm not mad, I'm just losing interest. When you say that to a man, it's like you put a sharp knife straight into his sensitive ego. Because when a woman complains to her man about him not giving her the attention she wants, the message he gets is that she is crazy about him. But when you tell him that his actions leave you with a feeling of indifference, that makes him feel nervous. It's like you give him an instant boost in trying harder for this relationship. Because when you threaten a man that you're gonna leave him, it just shows him that you see yourself as a victim and that you're desperate. But when you show him that you've detached, you've pulled back because you really don't care, then he's gonna run to fix this.